Hello everybody, I'm Gabriel. I'm in my kitchen and today I'm cooking a delicious grilled, seasoned and blackened steak. This is a southern style steak. So you're going to start off with a nice cut of steak, thick and juicy, and you're going to season it. I mix my own seasonings. I'm going to use some ground black pepper, and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons. This is crushed garlic. Crushed garlic, put about 2 tablespoons as well. And sea salt. I always prefer sea salt over regular table salt. 2 tablespoons. And this is ground hot red pepper. About a teaspoon of that will do. I'm going to mix them up a little bit like this and coat the steak on both sides with the seasoning. And after you sprinkle it on one side like this, you want to rub it in. You want that meat taking all that flavor. All right, flip it over. Season the other side. I like steaks that are bold in flavor, and this is going to be peppery, flavorful, hot and spicy, and that's how I like my steaks. Alright, that should do it. Now meanwhile, I've got the pan. It's been heating for 10 minutes on the stove. It's best to use a cast iron skillet. You want it to be really hot when you put your steak in. And before I put it in, also make sure your steak is fully thawed at room temperature when you do this, and take some butter at room temperature. It's about a tablespoon of butter. Break it in a few dollops like this and just put it on top of the steak and it's ready to go. So I'm going to bring you over to my grill and throw it on and show you what it looks like. Alright, that pan is good and hot, so here we go. I'm going to flip it over, butter side down. And as that's sizzling, move it around a little bit. Woo! Want on high heat. And that butter's going to melt. And as it melts, it's going to char the outside of the steak and blacken it a bit. Now you're going to cook to your desired temperature. I like my steaks medium to medium rare inside, but thoroughly cooked on the outside. So it's, for me, it's going to be about 2.5 to 3 minutes on either side. Move it around a little bit like that. Once one side is cooked, you can check it. Put some butter on the other side, flip it over, and you're going to have the perfect steak. So it's cooking now. I'm going to show you the final product. And there's the final product. Simple, 15 minutes maximum steak that's perfect and delicious every time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave any comments on your favorite recipes. What do you like to eat? What do you like to cook? What's your favorite way to do steak? I'm always curious because I'm a creative cook. So thanks for checking me out. Catch you soon. I'm Gabriel. Peace out.